What's going on, guys? Thrills in a block. I got something to show you guys. I picked up a couple things today, and we're going to make a rolling tool chest, and I'm going to use their toolbox or something. I don't know what yet, but anyway, y'all check this out. Alright, this is a little work table. Here, small toolbox. So I needed a rolling tool cart for my detailing tools. Buffer, polishes, pads, all that kind of stuff. That's what I'm going to make this into. So what we're going to do is we're going to take two pieces of angle steel, cut a piece here. We will probably bolt it to this. This metal's a little thin. I could weld it to there, but I'm not sure how well it's going to do. So we'll attach it to this side and attach it to that side. Put some caster wheels under this thing, and it should be about the right height and do exactly what we need to do. The best part was both of these units were $70 for the pair. That steel was free. Paid $30 for some wheels that I'm going to use for casters. So I was able to build this table for about $100, and it's better than anything I could find in the store, anything I could find online. So we'll call this the $100 workbench build. Alright, I'm going to flip the metal. Initially I was going to do it on the outside. I'm going to take it to the inside. A little bit cleaner look. Keeps the outside looking pretty much like it was before. Still gives me enough room. Flip this around. Little holes here and down here for the wheels, for the casters. So let me grab my welder and we'll tack it in place. Alright, that's that one a lot smoother. Got it all welded in there. May have missed me welding at the top, but it's welded. For all you non-believers. Got some bubble welds on there. Burnt through that piece for some reason. I don't know why. This was real soft right there, but it's alright. It's held in place. I'll go ahead and get my drill bit so we can pop the 4 holes in the bottom of this. One on this top, bottom corner, this top and bottom corner. Then we'll mount these caster wheels. We'll get off the truck and see how she does. say what they want to about these tools right here. Yeah, I'll show you guys what I'm using here. These things are awesome. This is actually a replacement for my original. My original I had 10 years. They sent me this new brushless model. So, yeah, got some fancy batteries on it. Awesome. Alright, we got the holes drilled out. And those are going to be the holes for mounting the casters. Let's go ahead and install the caster wheel. We're using this caster. Put a link in the description if you guys need something like this. We'll have a flat washer, a split lock washer, and a nut. All on top. Down here, this guy, and this guy. And no, I did not put locking casters on here, I know. Why didn't you put locking casters on it? I don't have a hill in my garage, that's why. So this wraps up the build on the $70 workbench table on wheels. I'll be using this in up and coming videos for storing my buffers, polishes, my vinyl tools, plastic trim removal tools, all that kind of stuff that needs to be out of the elements, keep dust and dirt out of it. That's what I picked this up for, and I wanted something on wheels. I looked online, couldn't find anything I liked, like I said at the beginning of the video. This is what I came up with. So I got a shelf that fits my products on it here and down there. Got a deep enough drawer to fit my large polisher in as well as my small polisher, and then I got plenty of drawers for pads. So all the different size pads and trim tools and the vinyl tools that I'll be using in up and coming videos. All that stuff will be stored here. So the table was a little wobbly when I picked it up. All I ended up doing was tightening up these 10mm metal 10mm metal typing screws that were around the perimeter of the box, and now no more wiggle. She's as solid as she can be. So that worked out really well. Didn't have to do anything extra there. I think I'll just clean it up and get it ready for usage. My name's Erwin. This is 3 Wheels in a Block. Thank you guys for watching. If you hadn't turned that red button gray, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That helps out not just me, but helps out everybody else who loves to do how-tos and work in their garage. We'll see you next time. We're gonna see if y'all watch the whole video. That's what we're gonna find out.